In a lush green forest, there lived a young deer named Rohan. Unlike other deer, Rohan loved to dance. Whenever the wind whispered through the trees, he would twirl and leap with joy. The other animals laughed at him. "Deer should run fast, not dance," they mocked. One day the animals heard a hunter's footsteps approaching. Panic spread across the forest. The deer began to run, but Rohan was near the river practicing his dance. When he saw the hunter, he didn't panic. Instead, he gracefully leaped into the tall grass, making no noise at all. The hunter looked around, but found nothing. Rohan's silent, swift movements had saved him. The next day, Rohan shared his secret. "Dancing made me light on my feet and taught me to move without making a sound," he said. The other deer realized that his unique talent was not useless. They asked him to teach them how to move gracefully too. From that day on, Rohan was no longer laughed at. The animals understood that everyone has a special gift, and sometimes what seems different is actually valuable. Moral: embrace your uniqueness, for it may one day become your greatest strength. Thanks for watching.